Let's look at Chapter 10, Lesson 8, Review. Write scalene, isosceles, or equilateral to describe the triangle. I know that scalene will have 0 sides that are the same, isosceles will have 2, and equilateral will have 3. Looking at 1, it has 0 sides that are the same, so that equals a scalene. Number 2 has all 3 sides that look to be the same length, which would be an equilateral. Number 3 has 2 sides that are the same length, which is going to equal an isosceles. Number 4 has 2 sides that are the same length, which equals an isosceles. Number 5 looks to have 0 sides the same length, which equals scalene. And number 6 has 2 sides that are the same length, which is going to equal isosceles. For data analysis and probability, a set of cards numbered from 1 through 20 is shuffled and turned upside down. One card is pulled from the deck of cards. Write impossible, unlikely, likely, or certain for each event. The card will be a number greater than 15. Well, I know that would be only 5 cards out of 20, and that would be unlikely. The card will have a number on it that's greater than 20. That would be 0 out of 20 cards, so that would be impossible. The card will have a number on it between 2 and 16. Well, I know that numbers between 2 and 16 would be numbers 3 through 15, which is going to be 12 out of 20, which is more than half, so it would be likely. The number on the card will either be even or odd. This will be 20 out of 20, which equals certain. The number on the card will be a multiple of 5. I know that's only 5, 10, 15, and 20, which will be 4 out of 20 cards, which is going to be unlikely. The number on the card will be a multiple of 21. Well, multiples would be 21, 42, not numbers 1 through 20, so that would be 0 out of 20, which is going to equal impossible. The number on the card will be your age in years. Well, that would only be 1 out of 20, because you're only one age, which would be unlikely. The number on the card will either be even or a number less than 18. And I know that that's going to be 19 out of 20 cards, because that would be cards 1 through 18, and then it would be 18 and 20 as well, which would make this going to be likely. Having your fractional probability helps your case when you are trying to prove your point.